This compact Halivita Kids drone is designed as a friendly first quadcopter with responsive controls that make it easy for children and beginners to keep it stable in the air indoors or outdoors. Bright integrated light strips give the drone a colorful glow that makes evening flights exciting, while also helping you track its position and orientation more easily. The simple remote layout keeps the learning curve gentle, yet still supports fun tricks like three-dimensional flips that make the little drone feel surprisingly dynamic. Two included rechargeable batteries extend playtime far beyond a quick test flight, reducing downtime and keeping kids more engaged between charges. Its lightweight build and modest size make it safer for indoor use, while still feeling sturdy enough to handle the occasional bump or rough landing from new pilots. As a gift, this drone hits a sweet spot between toy and gadget, offering enough capability to stay interesting as skills improve without overwhelming younger flyers.